Listen up to this video and you're never going to worry about hematocrit calculations for your parasite culture. We're focusing on the percentage of red blood cells in your parasite culture. Say we want 5%. If we want 5%, that means 5 in 100. So that's going to be 0.5 in 10 milliliters. The materials that we need human red blood cells, erythrocytes. O plus blood group is often used, and you're going to need your RPMI media. You let the blood sit for a couple of days in the fridge, then you go ahead and separate it via centrifugation so that you can get rid of the plasma and get rid of the buffy coat, which are the white blood cell components. Now you can prepare your complete media and then make sure you have 5% of that containing red blood cells. And then you come in and put in the amount of parasites that you want depending on the percentage of parasitemia. You typically start off with a 0.2% parasite density called parasitemia, and then you give it a couple of days to cycle through and infect the red blood cells that you've given it. And once it's infected the red blood cells, you monitor it daily. And if you notice that the parasitemia has reached, say, 2% or above, you want to go ahead and split the cells. And this is basically giving the parasite fresh red blood cells to infect and give it nutrients. So that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for checking out the video. I really appreciate you subscribing to our study group and giving the video a thumbs up. And I'm looking forward to catching you in the next video. God bless.